What's up, guys? It's me, Pearly, the one and only. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my 5th day of classes already, and I just realized that I forgot to make an intro for this video. So, yeah, I'm just gonna not be more talkative and let's just move on with the vlog.
Okay, everybody, so this is what's inside my bag. Wait lang, may dadagdag pa. I'm gonna show you what's inside my bag for tomorrow. Ang ingay ng upuan ko, so wag nyo na lang pansinin yung ingay ng upuan ko. So this is my bag for tomorrow. It's my, ano ba to? Marc Jacobs. I was gonna say Michael Kors, but it's my Marc Jacobs. And it has 3 compartments. For the first compartment, it has my wallet. For the first time, I'm gonna have a wallet. So this wallet, when you open it, napakita ko na siya in my last vlog. So ayan, yung wallet ko. Yeah, I'm not sure kung sinama ko pa siya sa vlog ko, pero ito yung wallet ko. Yeah, basically it's just stuff, my face basically. And then it has a zipper. I'm gonna show you. And it's a zipper. I have ito. Yung resibo ng bag. So, lagyan natin siya dito. My notebook. Itong notebook ko, grade 10 pa ako. Ayun, grade 10. May try na grade 10 Mary Mother of Christ. And then, I have 3 ball pens. Isang multicolored ball pen, isang panda ball pen, and isang sign pen. So, that's all in that compartment. I feel like sobrang unprepared ko this year. Super unprepared ko talaga. And then I have baby powder, of course, sa oiliness ng pagmumukha. As well as electric fan. Yeah. So that's all that's inside my bag for tomorrow. And my phone's gonna be here as well. So, ay my god, I'm so nervous. Alam mo, sa mga kwento nila Lola, mas kinakabahan ako sa ano yun. Sa magnanakaw, girl. You know, mas kinakabahan ako sa magnanakaw than sa first day of school ko mismo. And I also have this. Kasi pinaka-excited ako yung magbayad ng 11 pesos sa jeep. I'm so excited. Ang gina? Ang sabi. Ang favorite ko. Azim. Oh, what you was? Stop. Mer, busog ka, ano ka ba? Gaga, aga-aga yung tiyan ko. Ala ko na ko. Pamasahin mo. Thank God.
Jiko.
I love mom.
Jiko. Perla.
Okay, ha? Ako magpapayag.
Pwede mo 150 ka na?
Yeah, Ning! Yeah!
Nag-load ba na? Pwede yung nag-load ka na?
Yeah! Asin na? Asin na. Uwari ba?
Pwede yung bag mo ngayon?
Dito si... Ha? Hug! Hi guys, so pati naalala ko mag-vlog. Health break namin ngayon hanggang 8:30. 8:20 na. So yung room ko, 3rd floor. Okay. Health break na. Wala pa rin ako nakakausap ng estudyante. Isa pala. Tapos yung kausap na yun. Yung kausap na yun. Sumantok pa. Hindi ko naiintindihan yung tanong niya, pero something like, old student ka na. Tapos sabi ko, ay, ano ba, hindi po, new student po ako. Kakalipat ko lang, ganun. Tapos, natatawa ako. Tapos ano pa? Tapos, basta yan. Feel ko normal lang to. Actually, normal lang naman talaga to. It's my first day. What do I expect, diba? Pero, ayun. This is so different sa kung ano yung nakasanayan ko. Basta may kwento later pagka uwi ko. Kasi, ay, grabe guys. Ang weird. So, since it's 8:24, pero sa relo ko lang yan. Pero 8:20 pa lang. Ito 8:24, pero in real life, 8:20 pa lang. 8:23 siguro, or 25, bakit na ulit ako. And, yeah, naambon. So, ito, pakita ko sa inyo yung, nasa guardhouse nga pala ako, guys. Pakita ko. Ayan. Ang weird sobra. Kasi, pwede mag-video, pwede mag-photo, pwede mag-phone. Basically. Tapos, ayan, welcome chief. Ang weird talaga. Hindi ako sanay dito. I mean, I'm using my phone without worrying na baka mahuli ako ng advisor. So, yeah. Okay, guys. So, naglalakad na ako ngayon. It's my first time going home from school alone. So, after school, nagkita kami ni Zarina, my classmate from St. Mary's Academy, Santa Ana, ng grade 9. Nagkita kami, we went to McDonald's. Dito na sa Santa Ana, kasi sarado pa yung marketplace. So, yeah, ito, naglalakad na ako. It's 10:30 by the way. Naglalakad na ako pa uwi. So, ayun, St. Mary's Academy, first day na din nila ngayon. Nakakatawa. Ang weird. Ay, grabe yung first day ko, guys. Grabe yung first day ko. Ano siya? Grabe. Ayun ang masasabi ko. Ayun ang talaga masasabi ko, grabe. Kasi, pagpasok ko, hindi ko na alam ang nagagawin ko. Like, bro, hindi ko na alam. Simula pa lang, parang mukha na akong tanga dun. Hanggang sa huli mukha akong tanga. Alam niyo ba, yung students kami. So, syempre, expect mo pag Humes, diba? Malakas loob. Pero kalahati ng section namin, hindi nagsasalita. Nagsasalita lang yung mga organic students na oh my God, nahulog yung bag ko. Nagsasalita lang mga organic students na makukulit. Hindi ko na nga maalala yung mga pangalan ng iba pero naalala ko lang isa. Yung sobrang kulit. Dalawa pala, pati yung tatlo pala. Yung president namin. Ayun na nga guys. So, nag-election na kami ng class officers. Pero, hindi namin kilala yung isa't isa. So, hindi ako bumoto ng isa. Isa lang pala binoto ko nung pinaulit nung teacher ko yung elections. Kasi, hindi daw boboto lahat. So, bumoto ako isang beses sa president. Binoto ko yung babae. Kasi, syempre, abante babae. Tapos, kalaban niya lalaki. So, binoto ko yung babae. Tapos, the rest, hindi ko na binoto. Kasi hindi ko naman sila kilala. I don't know them personally. I don't know who they are. I don't know how they are. So, ayun. I would say, kung i-rate ko tong first day ko compared sa first days ko for the past few years, this is my worst first day. Kasi unang-una, wala akong nakausap na estudyante. Parang dalawa lang. Actually, hindi parang dalawa lang talaga. Yung isa, tinanong niya ako kung new student ba ako. Sabi ko, opo. Tapos, ayun na yun. Small talk na yun. Ayun na yun. Tapos yung isa naman, nag-sorry siya sa akin kasi tamaan niya yung balikat ko. O diba, is that even considered a conversation? No, it's not. Tapos ang nakausap ko ng tayo na matino, mga teacher. Kasi, sumali ako ng org, ng club. Sumali ako ng English club. Tapos, since yung upuan ko nandoon sa bungad ng pinto, like pagbukas mo ng pinto, upuan ko na agad, ako na agad. Ako yung tatanong ng teacher. Parang, anak, asan yung advisor niya? Ay, lumabas po, madam. Ayun na yun. Ay, nako. This is probably a typical first day, pero, ay, nako, I'm not used to this. And I'm home. I'm home! Ay, may bubuyog! Ay! Finally, I'm home with my chummy. Ang cute-cute to. This is baby Chum Chum. This is Tisay. The Chum Chum. Ay, 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 ay. Huwag ka bababa. Ay, ay, ay. Bumaba. Good morning. Hi everybody. Today is my second day. I hope it's better than my first. So, but yung isang side flat. Sa floor. Okay, sure. Hold on. Isang side flat, isang side curly. You look at my uniform.
Ano na lang cellphone mo is yung luma.
Yeah! Ay, dilation talaga siya. Wala siyang ID. She takes a picture of me every year.
One. Ang pangit mo. One, two. Ayusin kamay mo. Ayusin mo na.
Okay, I'll put it here.
Isa pa. Maglo. So, lotion ka tang puti-puti.
Yeah, whatever.
Ano mo yun? Ang ano? Dry na dry.
Yeah, because it's not wet. Bigat niya.
Bigat talaga ito. Akin din yung
Ano mo, yung bigat ng buhok. Ano naman siyang laman? Actually, marami siyang laman. Kung ano yung laman ng bag ko kahapon, ay hindi din laman niya. Pero, nadagdagan ng this. Hindi ko na ilalabas kasi ang hirap ibalik. Ayan, nadagdagan ng pouch na to. Kita ba? Ayun. Basta nadagdag yung pouch na yan. Papasok na ako, guys. See you later. Hashtag academic break. Ang dry ng buhok ko, guys. Nasa classroom na ako. Ayan, may mga nagsasalita. May mga nagsasalita ng mga lalaki. Pero sila lang yung nagsasalita. Okay, bye. Oh my gosh, nakakahiya. Okay, ganito na lang. So, academic break na. Ay, hindi pala academic break. Health break. Academic break. Ang puto. Health break ko ngayon. And mag-e-explore. Mag-isa, joke lang. So, for my whole life dito sa Arellano, which is kahapon lang, start yung whole life. Wait lang, mamaya na nga lang ako mag-vlog. Guys, babalik ako ng guardhouse sa N.5. Babalik ako ng guardhouse. Kasi may upuan doon. Ayun yung guardhouse. Babalik ako ulit. Natatawa ko sa sarili ko. Loner ako. Hindi ako loner, guys. Alam niyo yan. I'm such an extrovert. I'm such an... Ano ba? Ano ba tawag dito? Natatawa ko sa sarili ko. So, alam niyo naman na hindi ako inverted na tao. Tapos ano dito? Dito sa guardhouse. Kasi may upuan. Ayun na yun. Tapos nakakahiya. Kasi nagpalit ko man ng seating arrangement. Tapos yung katabi ko, tinanong ko, dito ka ba nag-high school, nag-grade 10? Tapos yung sagot niya, hindi. Ayun na yun. Nakikipagkaibigan ako, guys. Pero pagdating sa ganito, sa simula ngayon, yun talagang, kasi yung sa room namin, wala talagang magkakaibigan. Hindi ko alam kung normal ba to sa first days of classes. Alam ko normal to, kasi kung hindi to normal, ano ako abnormal. Diba? So, ayun. Crazy. 8:12 na to, sarilo ko 8:16, pero 8:12 na. Tapos ng health break namin is 8:30. So, yung guard na lang kaya kaibiganan. Why not? Lahat ng mga security guard, kinausap. Ay, hindi man lahat. Kinausap ko yung security guard kahapon. Tinanong ko saan yung banyo. ayun lang. Ayun lang yung conversation ko kahapon. Tapos ngayon, ano pa ba conversation? Isa lang talaga yun sa estudyante. Tapos nakikipagngitian lang ako sa ibang mga estudyante. Pero masyado sila mahihiyain. Ba't kayo nag-use? Kung hindi rin kayo magiging madaldal, dumaldal kayo, please. Hindi talaga ako to. Kita niyo, nagmumukmuk ako dito sa guardhouse. Mukha akong timang. Bakit ako magmumukmuk sa guardhouse? Ay, hindi. Sige, let's go. Samahan niyo ako, may kapag-socialize ako. Kakain akong siomay kahit ayoko. Hindi eh. Ayoko kumain ng siomay eh. Hindi, dito lang ako sa guardhouse. Okay na ako dito. Happy na ako dito, guys. Yeah. Oh my God. On the way. I feel so... Ay, the Lord is really giving me... Ano ba? Ano ba bibigay sa akin, Lord? Parang sasabi niya sa akin na relax, you know. I got you. Oh my God. Kasi nagkita kami ng good friend ko si Earl. You know Earl? You don't know Earl? Oh my God. Basta classmate ko since elementary hanggang grade 6. Si Earl. I'll just tell you guys the story when we're good na because nagmamadali ako. I don't wanna be late. It's 8:27 on my clock. Okay. Bye. This is miserable. I think I just made a friend. Kanta kasi niya later, baka Dunkin ako mag-isa. Para ma-vlog ko guys, wait lang. Guys, oh my God. Munti ko muna sa upuan. Oh my God. So, bukas pala yung wallet, yung coin purse ko doon sa bag ko. So, nahulog lahat ng...
mo ka? Opo.
Nahulog lahat ng coin.
Bakit po?
Oh my gosh. Akala ko umaambot. By the way, I'm here at Dunkin. Akala ko kanina habang naglalakad ako. Baka guni-guni ko lang talaga na may Dunkin dito. McDonald's na talaga meron. So, I was like, that's fine. Pero, swerte pagka lapit ko dun sa tawiran, I saw a Dunkin. And this is that Dunkin. And, yeah. Pero wait, pause muna. Like, I can see someone chatting me, so, hold on. Diba nga, nag-vlog ako. After I clicked, like, stop recording, tumayo ako, umalis na ng warehouse. And then there was someone calling my name. And it's not like Pearly or like Pichay, it's Charina. And I was staring. I was staring at the person who was calling me. And I can't recognize him. And then, nung nakalapit na ako, sabi niya, Charina, ang bilis mo naman makalimot. Tapos I was like, oh my gosh, he called me Charina. So sabi ko, this must be someone who knows me since elementary. Tapos, tinitignan ko pa siya, sabi ko, it was real, and I felt so ecstatic and so excited. Like, all of the adrenaline in my whole body was like, turned on. Kasi, bro, that's my friend from elementary, and it feels so good to see a familiar face kahit hindi ko siya na-recognize. PS, ang daming Arellano students na naglalakad around. But it's better here than doon sa Santa Ana kasi madami akong makikita ang mga kilala ko. And I don't want to vlog with a lot of people around. Plus, I like this. It has nuts. I hate nuts with chocolate, but I like it. This is my new favorite place. It's so tahimik here. Onto lang tao. Plus good food. another thing that I'm gonna kwento to you guys right now is I met a friend. I made a friend today. Well, I'm not sure if it's considered a friend when I'm not sure if it's considered a friend if you guys just stared at each other and you smiled at each other. And they also, two of them, they're two girls, they also said like, bye to me. Which, alam niyo yung nagva-vlog ako doon. And then, I stopped cooking. And then I stopped recording. And then after that, they said like, bye. And I felt so happy. I felt so happy, guys. I felt so happy. I felt so happy. It's like I made bazillion friends. That's so good. So, nakarating na ako dito sa Santa Ana. Kakababa ko lang ng jeep. And grabe, kakatapos ako ng gospel. And grabe si Lord. Sobrang galing ni Lord. Sobrang galing talaga niya kasi yung gospel. Alam niyo yung parang on the Last Supper ba yun? Yung sabi nung mga apostles na, Father, we don't know the way. Tapos sabi ni Jesus, I am the way, the truth, and the light. No one comes to the Father except through me. Grabe. I feel so parang sabi ni Lord talaga sa akin, yo, I got you. Kasi kagabi nagsamba kami ni Ate Angie. And yung kanta ng communion, yung kapatid. And ayun yung kanta nung communion namin, nung grad song. I mean, nung grad mass. So, I was like, oh my gosh, Lord, you're literally telling me to let go of my past. And nung retreat ko, ayun din yung sabi ng pare, I need to let go, look for inspiration, inspire others, so I can reach heaven. So this is so, oh my God. Another thing pala, nagpalit na kami ng seating arrangement where we already have our permanent seating arrangement, and I like where I'm sitting. I'm beside two boys. Kasi parang alternate kami girl boy. So, I'm beside two boys. Yung isa makulit, yung isa nonchalant. So, ayun. Pero yung katabi kong yun, yung makulit, nakakaano ko naman siya, nakausap ko siya. Tanong niya kung wala pa ba akong bag. Kasi yung bag ko, diba? Shoulder bag. So sabi ko, oh no, bukas pa ako bibili. But the truth is, I already have one. I just choose not to use it because it's so big. And walang kalaman-laman yung bag ko.
I'll never ever do that.
Yeah. Today is day 3 of school. Tapos sabi ni Mama, tumayo ako sa gitna ng classroom. Tapos lumigaw na, hindi niyo ba ako papansinin? Crazy ka talaga.
Ganyan pala.
Isipin niyo pag meron kayong kaklaseng ginawa yun. Siyempre, diba forever niya siyang pag-chismisan tungkol doon.
Yeah.
Bye, Tita Tel! Side.
She's so cute.
Bye, Tita Tel! Bye! Bye, Tita.
There's my mother. And there's me. And my bangs. Hindi na to coordinate yung bangs ko. Mukha lang silang naliligaw na buhit. Bangs pa ba yan kung ganyan itsura? Okay, let's go. I have arrived and my hair is not hairy. Kaya tumatawag sa mga. Papunta na ulit ako sa room, guys. So, health break ngayon. And nandito lang ako sa room. Kukwento ko sa inyo mamaya yung crazy na pangyayari, guys. Sinig. Sinikilig ako. Kasi may nangyari sa araw ko, guys. Okay, so I'm on my way home. Lalakad na ako. Hi guys, this is Editing Me, and by the way, at this point of my life here in school, sanay na ako na naglalakad mag-isa. Sanay, like, ito yun sa video, at this point ng video na yun, hanggang ngayon, nasanay na ako na naglalakad ako mag-isa. Nakausap ko sarili ko na, talagang ako na mag-isa. Nasanay na ako. But I still don't mind company naman in school. Pero pagdating sa bahay, I also enjoy my alone time. Pero sa school, sanay na rin ako mag-isa. Loner na ako. Pero guys, there's improvement naman. By the way, I'm filming this on my 3rd week. I'm editing this on my 3rd week of school na. So, a lot of things have really changed. Grabe! Oh my God, hindi lang masasabi ko. Pero, itong araw na to, sanay na ako maglakad mag-isa. So, yeah, yun lang. Share ka lang. I enjoy today. Okay. Magkano po yung 1 by 1?
Pag may ma'am, nakapag-discuss kami, kasama 2 by 2.
Ano ba?
Kasama 2 by 2, 100.
Sige, ilan po yun?
4 na 2 by 2, itong 1 by 1.
Sige, 200 po.
100 naman. Hindi ba 200?
So, dapat ito-type ko to. Pero, girl, tamad ako mag-type. So, ito na nga. Nagpa-picture ako, te. Mga LT kasi, nagpa-picture ako, diba? Tapos, ginamit nila phone. Ayaw nang wala akong salamin, diba? Kasi hindi ko ako makasarili ko. So, sabi ko, sige, may salamin na. Tapos, ginamit nila yung cellphone nila. It's like a phone. Siyempre, phone, cellphone nga eh. Tapos, pangit ng pikte. Ang pangit. So, sabi ko, sige po, cellphone ko na lang. Ayan, tapos, ayun nga, markang-marka yung reflection. Tapos, ayun, sabi ko yung lumang picture ko na lang. Tapos, sinend ko sa kanila. O, diba? So, I ended up using my old photo because ang pangit ng pic nila. So, yun na nga. So, diba pumasok ako sa room. Pagpasok ko sa room, may nakaupo sa chair ko. She's a girl. And syempre, of course, walang kumakausap sa isa't isa. So, obviously, I expected na walang kakausap sa akin. So, ginawa ko doon sa katabi ng katabi ko, doon ako naupo. And then, by the way, for the past few days, saksak ng tiyan ko. And ngayon, sumasakit yung tiyan ko. Sumasakit. Pero anyways, ayun, the girl, she approached me. Sabi niya, excuse me, ano last name mo? Sabi ko, Piche po. Tapos yung kapatid ko yung kapatid ko. Tapos yung katabi ko, sinabi rin niya na ayun, siya. Itanong ko siya, sabi ko, ano last name mo? Tapos sabi niya, Samson. Tapos, tinanong niya ako kung may seating arrangement na ba? Sabi ko, yes, may na kahapon nang ginawa. Tapos, wait lang guys, magpupunas ako ng pawis. Ang init, ang init. Ang init. Okay. Ayan. Tapos, sabi niya, hala, sin. Ito ganyan. Tapos, sabi niya, saan daw siya nakaupo. Tapos, sabi nung class, nung katabi ko, daw iniwan na space kasi may absent daw kahapon. Ako naman, wala ko naalalang ganon. So, ayun, sabi ko, tanongin natin yung class president. So, pumunta ko dun. So, I'm so happy ngayon. Alam niyo yun, sa simpleng, ayun, yung simpleng, may araw. Yung simpleng, interaction na yun, doon palang masaya na ako. Tapos, ayun, wait lang, alam niyo sa bahay ko na kukwento to, wait. Hi!
Dati pinipicture lang kita dyan, nakaupo ka sa parang tapos
So, we're on our way to buy charger for laptop and school supplies. Yeah. Hey, you vlog. So we already got the laptop charger. And we're here at Robinson's. Susulito. Pero we're here at Robinson's. I don't know. Ayaw ko nga isipin pagkain kasi masakot-sakot ang tiyan ko. Bibili na kami ng school supplies ngayon. Yeah. We're gonna buy school supplies at National Bookstore. I forgot to vlog the part of buying school supplies. But we already bought school supplies. Yeah, so right now we're looking for socks and shoes. Ito yung pinakamahirap na part of my school life, looking for shoes. This is like, siguro 5 times na kami naghanap ng shoes. So 5 times yun, isang beses lang ako makahanap ng shoes. So, yeah. The Lord has sent down a miracle. And merong sapatos dito sa Robinsons that fits me. Here, hold on. Oh my God. It fits me. It fits me. Tingnan lang siya. Yeah. Masasanay din yung paa ko. Oh my God. Mom.
Oh, 9.5.
Do they have 9.5? Oh, feeling ko sa medyas ko lang yan. I'm gonna remove my medyas. Look ko, it's even maluwang. It's, look. See.
Maluwag naman problema na yun.
Kasi mataba siya eh. So, I do think 9 or 9.5 will.
Lagyan mo na lang ng shoe pad, ma'am, sa taas. Bigyan na lang kayo ng shoe. Saan nyo ako? Dito po sa escalator.
How about here? Don't judge me for taking too much time. Yeah. Probably this one.
Ganyan pa naman.
Yeah. It says it has that. Let's take this one, Mom.
Yung over, ano yan? Yung pad.
Excuse me, saan po makakuha yung pag maluwag yung shoes? Tas,
Ito lang. Part lang.
Oh, here. Ito mo. Okay.
Ano ba yung sa una?
Okay. Kahit anong size po.
Ano ma'am? Size 38. Size 7 to 8.
Meron pong pang size 9 to 10.
Nakakat po yan.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Let's go. We're here at Krispy Kreme.
Where is my mother?
FYI, I filmed a grade 7 to 10 tips video that I wasn't able to upload kasi hindi ko pa siya ina-edit. And I'm planning to no longer finish editing it and just upload this vlog. This whole first week of senior high school vlog. Kasi it's more I don't know, it's more present unlike that one na last week ko pang ginawa. And nakalimutan ko nang i-edit kasi, nakakatamad i-edit. Plus, there are so many things that are happening at the same time. Like, I kept on training on weekends. I kept on training Sagwan on weekends. And, yeah, school started so early. So, this is me right now. Guess where we're going? Feel so nervous. Kinakabahan ako, Bakit? Bakit po ako nakakabahan? I met my mother at Hi, Kuya! Andiyan na po. Ano?
Iyak nang iyak ako. Kasi maaga uwi, hindi mo lang tinawagan ng mama. Wala na akong mailuha nun. Dumi-dumi ko na. Pero iba na.
1, 2, 3. Everybody, so right now, kakatapos ko lang maligo and I'm still putting on my clothes. Today is Thursday and today is my first day of online class. And there's something wrong. Wala pa kaming schedule.
Okay, may mali ako dyan. Akala ko wala pang session yung teacher ko, pero may sinend na siya sa group chat, pero hindi ko nakita. So, until Monday of the following week, akala ko wala pa kaming schedule. Pero meron na. Hindi ko lang talaga nakita.
And wala pa kaming links na pupuntahan. And I don't know kung anong gagawin ko kasi alam ko na here in Arellano University, we don't do morning assemblies every single day. So, diretso sa room kami. So, ano gagawin ko pag online class and wala pang mga...
For the past 3 days, I've been wearing this pair of glasses. So today, I'm gonna switch it up and wear my black glasses because I just want to switch it up. Sabi ni Kuya Jerix, there's still this part of me na is like used to this spoon-fed type of St. Mary's Academy. Well, I'm not sure. I don't know. Di ko alam. Kasi if that's the case, then hindi yun. Pero, I can adapt and I'm adapting. I'm good at adapting. Magaling ako makisama, magaling ako to adapt. I'm good at adapting. But the thing is, it's just this school and my previous school, those are two different schools that are so different talaga. This school is I don't know how to explain it, but my school, kahit sobrang gulo nun, well, sa point of view ko, gumulo na siya in my last year. Kahit magulo siya, there's still this part of it na it's organized and it has this routine that it follows, as well as this school naman, it still has a routine that it follows. But I guess I'm just not used to this routine. That's why some people perceive it as I'm spoon-fed in my previous school, because in this school you're really all on your own. Okay, so my teacher just messaged and said, "Good morning. Today ay online class lang tayo, but we will not be having our online class since na-orient na kayo during your face-to-face classes. For the meantime, please react to this message for your attendance." Antayin ko ang reaction nyo until 9 a.m. Failure to react will be considered as absent. Thank you. I'm eating puto that we bought from yesterday. It's so good. Alright guys, so today is my first day of classes. Today is online class again. And I wanna show you how messy I can be. Isang araw pala ako nag-aaral in our home ha. My laptop and boom. Boom! Boom panis! So mamaya pupunta ako sa school ng 1 p.m. because... Hey mom! Ibang kang konting milk ha? Okay. Solid yun. So yeah, you guys know that I've been having stomach aches. So later, I'm gonna go to school sa Arellano for my English club meeting kasi I'm the Youth Representative 1. And yeah. I'm kinikilig kasi nag-chat sa messenger yung teacher namin. Tapos sabi niya, isend daw yung email sa group chat. Yung email ko, Pearly Cutie Pie. Tapos, sabi ng president naman, wow, picture may cutie face sa email. Oh my God, I feel so happy! Kasi nagtatawag siya na nilakar. And I love it pag nagtatawag siya na nilakar. It means na we're officially comfortable with each other. By the way, I'm cutting. Nag-print na ako ng mga subjects ko. Tatamad kasi ako gamitin yung cutter eh. Kailangan ko pang tanggalin siya. So, I'm cutting my subjects as well as my name. Ito mga nag-print ako ng marami kong pangalan. Ilalagay ko na sa notebook. Itong mga notebook ko. Look. Eh, hindi ko pa kayo nabibigyan ng ng what I bought read. Pero, ganitong mga notebook kasi yung mga binili ko. They're plain. Meron na akong mga subjects na kailangan ng color-coordinated notebooks. So, lahat na lang binili ko ganito. 9 of these. Para yung yarn. Iisa lang yung kulay ng yarn ko. And, tinakpan ko lang sila with colored paper. Yeah. Tapos, lalagyan ko rin sila ng plastic cover. Kasi I feel like ito, hindi na siya magkakasya. Try ko. Yup. Hindi na siya nagkakasya kasi kumapal na yung notebook. Sobrang sakit ng tiyan ko, guys. Kasi, na-food poisoning ako sa inumusal ko ng lumis eh. Dahil sa nanay ko, yung ano nilagay niya dun sa sinangag. Dahil parang wala ngang balak yung mga teachers ko mag-away. Tapos, I'm eating my breakfast already. Nakita niyo si mom. Eating my breakfast already. Mom bought this for me. It's from Poco Pan. And she also made me milk right here. And these are cheese breads. Pero for some reason, lasang garlic. Or baka panlasa ko naman. Pero, low-key amoy garlic din. Ayun yung cheese. Ang liit naman ng cheese. Ayun lang oh. Kung makikita nyo, dun na nag-end yung cheese. Alright, guys. Alright. I'm here at school. Daming student. Waiting for my classmate. Sabi niya, kasi na lang daw mauna sa amin. Again, and wala pa siya dito. So, ako naghihintay sa kanya. Kasi wala pa ata siya. So, alam niyo ba, meron ako, habang nasa jeep ako, may nakita akong isang grade 9 na siya ngayon. I mean, grade 10 na siya ngayon na dating grade 9. I think siya ata yun. Pero, ayun, may namukaan ako na kaibigan ko from SMA. Ang happy. Ang saya ko kasi nakakakita pa kami estudyanteng gano'n. Alam ko, wala akong facial reactions, pero ayun yung nararamdaman ko. Kasi yung sapatos ko, ang luwang. Tignan nyo. Yung right, ito. Ayan, yung right. Sakto lang. Ito, ang luwang niya, Tapos na yung meeting and everything in our school is sumapayapa. Payapa. Oh, ang payapa. So, first time to na payapa yung Arellano na nakita ko. So, I'm here at church. Nakauwi na ako. This is so peaceful talaga. I remember going home from school. Galing sa Pasay, sobrang stress ko sa buhay. And then, pumunta ako dito kasi St. Mary's and their home. Ito yung gitna talaga niya. So, pupunta ako dito. Tapos, iiyak ako or like, I'll just stare at nothing kasi wala pang phone doon. Hindi pa pwede phone doon. So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog para ikwento yung araw ko. Tapos, sobrang dami nangyayari. So, pupunta lang ako dito para, just breathe. Grabe. Today was fun. Walang nangyari today sa school online class, but something definitely happened in our meeting. That is, I was enlightened on how universities are very different with my school because it's super different. So, ayan, I'm walking pa uwi na, guys. Hi! That is it for this vlog, guys. I hope you liked it for this video. If you want more school stuff, if you want na i-upload ko yung life update tips for grade 10, incoming grade 10 and high school students, just comment down below. If you don't want, edi don't comment down below. Pero kung ganahan ako, I'll definitely upload it pa rin. And yeah. Ang tip ko sa inyo for the first day of school is just to relax, okay?
And yeah, that is it for this vlog, guys. Hope you like it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and on TikTok. And always remember, big things come to those who wait. Goodbye!